Guys, so I am back with another video, and this one is really a quick one. I just came to ask you guys a question. What do you think about going to work with head wraps? Do you think that they are professional? Do you think that they can fit into the workspace? Do you feel like they can coexist in a corporate setting? What are your views on wearing a head wrap to work? And the reason why I'm asking is because I ended up going to work with a head wrap, and I guess it depends on your environment. In the Caribbean, we have very formal work settings. So even if I work at a school, it is still very formal. The dress is still very formal. No jeans allowed, that kind of thing. They even try to frown upon ankle-length pants, that kind of thing. So it's still very formal dress code. Very, very formal. Very structured, very strict. But little old me decided I was going to go to work with a head wrap because I wanted to go to work with a head wrap. I felt like it was part of self-expression, one. Secondly, we have a water issue here in St. Lucia. So they took the water and I took off my 4 locks on Thursday night, and so there was no water to wash my hair and do my wash and go on Friday morning. So I decided, okay, instead of stressing about it and stressing about what to do with my hair, I might as well rock my head wrap. I look cute and I look professional. I didn't know how it would be received, and really and truly I didn't really care. But it was actually very well received, I find, especially in my environment, my work environment. I find that it was very well received, at least in terms of the people who commented to my face. And it led me to think about whether you guys who actually rock head wraps, do you feel like the head wrap is professional? Can it be worn in professional circles, in professional environments? Let me know what you think, guys. Also, I'm going to put a poll up here so that you guys can let me know what days you prefer for me to post my videos on YouTube. Yes, that's it. I'm out. Bye-bye.